Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called Context Minds, and if you simply want to try this out, you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial and exclusive rewards. Now jumping right onto our video, you can see we have this option of this platform is, by the way, used to create best SEO tools, and we have this feature of map inside it, and also it could be used to create different type of maps. So if you head over to top right side of your screen, you can see we have this new map section. Click on that and we are going to be selecting start from scratch. Enter your map topic in here, like for example we are going to be selecting traveling, and once we do that, create a new map. Now you can see it is giving some error. Now we are going to be simply so now we have recovered. Now you can see various different options to create your mapping and that type of stuff. So you can add in here, like for example, history of anything, and literally you can control anything. You can search in here for different keywords, questions, headings, articles, and you can, if you click any of this option, you can see the map navigation opens up. Let's just try out with this one. So it is basically connected to Google Maps and it fetches data from that. Now we are going to be heading back to our site. So you can see a lot of features are available in here, even AI chat and concept notes. So make sure to give this platform a try because it has a lot to offer and various different features. You can see the maps you create will be displayed in here, and you can easily use them or modify them again. You can click on view to view them, and yeah, so that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you like it. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to get exclusive rewards and extended free trial on Context Minds. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed, and share with your friends. See you in the next video.